Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in to Boost Mobile. Manage your line and payments step by step clearly. Open the Boost Mobile website in your browser or launch the My Boost Mobile app on your phone. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection, like your home Wi-Fi or your mobile data. On the website, find the Sign In button at the top of the page. In the app, tap Sign In on the first screen. Type the email address or username connected to your Boost Mobile account. Enter your Boost Mobile account password carefully and check for typos. If you forgot your password, click or tap Forgot Password to start the reset process. Choose how you want to receive the reset code, such as email or text message. Enter the verification code you receive and create a new strong password. Return to the sign-in screen and log in again using your updated password. If you are asked to verify your identity, follow the on-screen prompts to confirm it is you. After signing in, go to the main dashboard where your account overview is shown. Locate the section for your line details to view your phone number and current plan. Tap or click Manage Line to change plan options or review add-ons if available. Open Usage to check talk, text, and data usage for the current billing period. Go to Billing or Payments to see your current balance and due date. Select Make a Payment to pay your bill right away. Choose your payment method, such as debit card, credit card, or other available options. Enter your payment details and double-check the card number, expiration date, and billing zip code. Confirm the payment amount and review any fees or payment notes shown on the screen. Tap or click Submit Payment and wait for the confirmation message. Save the payment confirmation number or take a screenshot for your records. To set up AutoPay, open AutoPay settings and switch it on if your account supports it. Add or select a save payment method for AutoPay and confirm the monthly payment date. To update your profile, open Account Settings and review your email, phone, and address. If you need to add a new line or device, look for Add a Line or Upgrade options in the dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the app, clear browser cache, or try a different browser. If you still cannot log in, contact Boost Mobile support through the Help or Contact section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.